HTL sly repeat. This tag helps to repeat an element multiple times based on the list which is specified. For example, div data sly repeat current page dot list children and item name within the div. So the difference with the data sly list is that list needs a container element where repeat does not require it. So let us see an example of this. We are in the read well print loop. So I have copied the sample here. Let me paste it. So here you can see that div data sly repeat current page dot list children item dot name. So if we are in the CRX, I'm in the REPL page, and under that I have men and women pages. So let me go back here. So this was the line I have pasted. You can see that there is a div for men and another div for women. So what it does is it goes to the current page and lists out the children, and its name is getting printed here. Thanks for watching.